Home Amazon deals, you're going to want this Black Friday. If you hate scrubbing, then you have to try this electric scrub brush. It comes with multiple attachment heads to clean any surface, like your shower walls, fixtures, or even the floors. This adorable electric lighter creates a power current to light your candles instead of fire. Plus, it's rechargeable so you can ditch the lighter fluid and always have a compact and cool lighter available. The DreamTech L20 Ultra is a robot vacuum that mops and vacuums simultaneously, meaning you can clean up wet and dry messes at the same time. Worried about carpet? Don't be. The robot senses it and drops off its mopping pads at the station before cleaning, so you'll never have soggy rugs again. To top it off, it self-cleans, meaning it washes its mop pads and empties its own waste bin. Just dump out the dirty water tank whenever it's full. Plus, use this code for an additional discount at checkout. My most asked for items are these under-the-sink organization drawers. They come in multiple sizes, and some even come with dividers to create the perfect organization system anywhere in your home. Try this label maker. It is the one I use all over my house. You can get it with clear and white labels and label anything. Use the app to make customized labels, add stickers, photos, or other amazing things, or even diagrams for work or school to make it easy on your note-taking. Perfect for all of the organization projects you'll be accomplishing this new year. You'll find all of these and my other favorite Black Friday deals linked in my bio. Follow for more home Black Friday deals.